Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
When you're new to investing, picking the right brokerage can feel a bit overwhelming, but it's a crucial first step. You'll want a platform that makes sense, doesn't cost an arm and a leg, and helps you learn along the way. Think of it as your financial home base. A truly beginner-friendly option will simplify complex ideas, making investing accessible and less intimidating for you. As a beginner, certain features really stand out. First, zero-commission trading is a must, saving you money on every trade. Next, ensure there are low, or ideally no, account minimums so you can start investing with just a small amount. Don't forget, access to robust educational materials and responsive customer support can make all the difference as you navigate new concepts and potential questions. These elements truly empower your investing journey. One of our top recommendations for beginners is Fidelity. They provide an incredibly robust platform with zero commissions on stocks and exchange-traded funds, which is fantastic for your budget. What truly sets them apart, however, is their vast array of free educational resources, including insightful articles and helpful webinars. Plus, their strong customer support and diverse investment options make it a very reliable and well-rounded choice as you learn to invest. Another excellent brokerage for new investors is Charles Schwab. They beautifully balance low costs with a very user-friendly investing experience, which is perfect when you're just starting out. Their Schwab Intelligent Portfolios are a great feature if you prefer automated investing, allowing for a hands-off approach. Moreover, they offer fantastic research tools and even provide in-person branch access, should you ever need more personalized assistance. Ready to get started? We suggest opening a demo or practice account first. It's a great way to explore the platform without any real financial risk. Once you're comfortable, begin with small, consistent investments, perhaps in diversified funds like broad market exchange-traded funds. Most importantly, keep learning and regularly review your progress. Investing is a journey, not a sprint, and knowledge is your best asset for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.